Hey traders, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you this week's new and special blog of yoga versus trading. This topic is very important to me as a stock trader and yoga teacher. I find a lot of similarities between these two unlikely things, and I had to make a video on it. In this video, I'll be highlighting one of the 6 similarities I mentioned in my blog, and that is balance. Now I know what you're thinking. No, not this kind of balance. Instead, the balance that I'm talking about is found through yin and yang. In the yoga practice, our yin might look like the surrender, the stretching, the letting go part of class, while the yang is found through the intense breath, the challenging postures, the scary mindset of pushing past our discomfort zones, just like we do in stock trading. Except the yin in stock trading is letting go of our emotions, trusting in the moment that our trading plan has done enough, and letting go of the insecurities, the opinions of everyone else, that fight or flight trying to tell us to leave. Now, on the other hand, the yang is the high-risk investments, the stress, the constant effort, the practicing, the learning, the growth that we have. All that action is seen in the yang, and all the letting go, the passive, the balance is the yin. So combining that yin and yang, just like a 60-minute yoga practice, we have those obstacles we have to get through. So whether you're balancing on one leg or balancing your checkbook, know the importance of yin and yang. Balance has more in common with stock trading than you might think.